All right, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Teacher Nok. So,
Good afternoon.
all right, welcome to math class again. So today we are going to have a review and the new lesson and continuous lesson for our topic last time. All right, so I am going to call one student, then you need to answer my random questions. But however, I want you to open your camera. Okay, I want you to open your cam, or I am the one who's going to call you for you to force to open your cam. Okay?
เปิดกล้องเลยค่ะนักเรียนค่ะ
All right. So, can I call Pacharaporn? Pacharaporn? Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right. What do we do last time? What do we do? What topic we tackled last time?
เราเรียนเรื่องอะไรไปลูก รูปทรงภาษาอังกฤษว่าอะไรคะ
Shape.
We talk about.
Shape.
All right. We tackled about shape. How about can? What do we learn last time?
Line.
Lines. How about pudit? Pudit, you keep on smiling. You have a beautiful smile.
พูดยิ้มตลอดเลย
How about ukik?
study up away
We study about point, line, rays.
All right. Jom. Jom, what do we study, Jom? Why are you biting your lips, Jom? Come on, Jom. We study about sun. What do we study, sun?
Line segment.
All right, line segments.
Parallel line.
Huh?
Parallel line.
Parallel lines. Very good. What? One more.
Intersecting line.
Very good. Last one, letter P. Letter P. P alay.
Point.
Point. Another P. PL.
Karin ตัวสุดท้ายค่ะ
What else? What do we study? Gam? PL. We studied about.
I know.
Alay.
Plane.
About planes. All right. So I am going to have share screen. Wait. Okay. Okay, let's have an activity. All right, I have here the things that you told me here, okay? So some of these are already tackled, but some are going to tackle today. Okay, all right. So look at this number one. Okay, number one there. Look at the number one. Number one, it's read as point. What letter is the point there? Ukik,
D.
letter,
Letter D.
letter D. Very good. How about number two? Can you read and answer? Pancake.
Line segment.
All right. Where is the line segment there?
B.
Letter
B.
B. Okay, very good. How about number three? Number three, gam,
Line.
line. So where's the line there? Gam.
Letter T.
Letter G. Very good. How about number four? Number four, sun. Huh?
Play.
Ray.
Letter A.
Letter
A.
Letter A. Very good. How about letter number five? Number five. Number five.
Parallel.
Pudit.
Parallel.
Parallel lines. All right. Where is the parallel lines there, Pudit?
เส้นที่มันขนานกันนะลูก G.
Letter?
G.
Letter G? But Sun told me letter G is a line.
G.
Parallel.
เส้นที่มันขนานไปทั้งคู่ คือเส้นไหน ข้อไหน
Letter?
D.
C?
D.
Again.
D.
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 Am I
D ไม่
correct?
ใช่ลูก
Letter D?
D.
Teacher?
E หรือ T
เส้นที่มันขนานแบบเนี้ย เห็นครูไหม parallel อะค่ะ ที่มันไม่มีจุดชนกันเลย E.
All right. Letter E. Okay. All right. How about this one? Letter number 6. Perpendicular lines. All right. Perpendicular lines. I didn't tackle this one, but I think you can guess what is this. Perpendicular. Students, can you please open your camera? Students, I want you to open your cam now.
ใครยังไม่ได้เปิดเนี่ยหลายคนเลยอ่ะ perpendicular คือแบบตั้งฉากอะลูก
ทำไมนี่พี่ใช้ทำงาน
Perpendicular lines. Who can guess? Jom.
มา C.
Letter
C.
C. All right. So who have other guess?
มุมตั้งฉากอะค่ะ
Yana?
ตั้งฉาก 90 องศา
F.
Yana?
letter F
Perpendicular lines.
อันไหนที่ดูแล้วแบบตั้งฉากบ้างคะ รูปไหนคะ มีรูปเดียวเท่านั้นแหละ
F
All right, letter F. How about angle? Angle, Namo.
อังเกิลคือมุม ภาพไหนที่มีมุมแต่มุมไม่ฉาก เป็นมุม
ขยายหน่อยบนโต๊ะเองขยายหน่อยพันตั้งนานแล้วช่างมันไม่ใช้แค่เลนมันก็ได้เอามาทำ
Namo. Are you there,
C.
Namo? Letter?
Yes. C.
All right, letter C. How about midpoint? Pongpan? Pongpan?
What?
What? What is number 8? Can you read number 8? Midpoint.
midpoint ก็คือ
Letter?
Yes.
All right, letter H. All right. So here, what is the same or same as perpendicular? Sorry. Where is the intersecting line here? Intersecting line. Look like intersecting line.
ภาพไหนที่คล้ายๆ intersecting line บ้าง มีจุดที่มารวมกันนะคะคือภา
All
พไหน
right,
รวม
pancake. You're raising your hand.
Oh.
Letter F. Very good. All right. So I am going to explain the 3 perpendicular lines and angles and midpoints. Okay. So later I am going to ask you to have definition of it. All right. A perpendicular line is a line that has a 360-degree on their particular lines. All right. This is a line. Okay. A line that intersects or connects with each line that has a line of 90 degrees. All right. Okay. If you're going to look at this one, the 90 degrees here is this. When we say 90 degree, it's look like a shape or a square wherein you are going to have your perfect square. Okay, both sides. Okay, if you're going to look at letter F there, a perpendicular line is a line wherein that intersects to a line and make a 90 degree. What is a 90 degrees? A 90 degree is a measurement of a protractor wherein they are connected to each other. Okay.
หมายถึงเป็นมุม 90 องศาค่ะ เป็นมุม 90 องศาก็จะเป็นรูปร่างทรงสี่เหลี่ยมนะคะ แบบนั้น
Okay. So, wait.
Yeah, wait.
Okay. So when we are having a perpendicular line, this is the measurement, all right? This is what you call protractor. Okay.
วิเคราะห์ครึ่งวงกลมใช่ไหมคะ อันนี้เคยใช้กันบ้างยัง ยังไม่เคยบ้าง
Pepno. All right. So we have here protractor, okay? So protractor is a device wherein to measure an angle, all right? To measure an angle. Sorry. All right. So this one is a protractor wherein we are using when we are using this one, it's supposed to be a 90 degree. Where is the 90 degree there? A 90 degree is a line here, right? A line here from this point and up to this point. All right. So it's look like letter L. Okay. It's look like letter L. What is happening? All right, there you go. So this is an example of a perpendicular line wherein it intersects or connect with a 1 point, okay? With a 1 point, and it measures 90 degree, okay? How to measure this one? Okay, this is the point that they intersect. This is the point, okay? This is the point that they intersect from the zero. This is the
จุด
zero.
ตัด
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Absolutely, that is 90 degree from the left side, okay? From the left side. And here, this is the 0 at the bottom. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 from the right side, all right? It measures 90 degree, exact 90 degree, and it's look like letter L, okay? Okay, teacher? Okay.
yes teacher.
Okay, so this one, when we have here a connection of 2 points, all right, a connection of 2 lines there is what you call an angle, all right? This an example of an angle. If you're going to look at letter C here, letter C, okay? Letter C here, it is a combination of 2 rays and 1 line, all right? 2 rays and 1 point, okay? Here, 2 rays and 1 point, okay? Even though it measures here in any form, all right? In any form here, this is an angle as long as there are 2 rays and 1 point, okay? 2 rays and 1 point. So that is what you call an angle, okay?
เป็นมุม
Angle. Next,
ถ้า
what
มี
is
เล
a mid?
ถ้ามีเลโอเค ถ้ามีเลมาชนกันแบบนี้แล้วก็มีวันพอยต์หนึ่งจุดนะคะ แล้วก็จะกลายเป็นอะไรคะ angle เกิดมุมขึ้นมานะคะ
Okay, so those are the things that you need to remember, okay? The perpendicular lines are measured only 90 degrees, but the angle, it measure different degrees, all right? Using the protractor, okay? And the difference of it is they have lines together with 3 consecutive lines from a particular line, right? Like perpendicular, but in angle, there are only 2 lines on it, okay? 2 rays and 1 point, okay? Okay, so next one is the midpoint. Okay, midpoint, when we say midpoint, it is a straight line or the middle point, okay? The middle point. When we have here straight line, here, the midpoint only on the middle of the line. All right, this is the midpoint. Okay, identifying the midpoint.
จุดตรงกลางนั่นเองนะคะโอเคที่เชื่อ
All right, identifying the midpoint, it is only in the middle of the line. All right, it is only in the middle of the line. Whatever lines you have, once the midpoint is there, you're going to name it as a midpoint of that line, okay? All right, so our topic for today is how to name the lines, all right? How to name a lines, naming a line, all right? How to name a line. In lines or in geometry, we are going to have lines using the capital letter, okay? What is capital letter? Okay, capital letter. When we are having a capital letter here, it's supposed to be capital letter A. Okay, capital letter A, you can say that this point A. Okay, point A. We are categorizing this point as A. How about a line? How are we going to line and how are we going to name a line? All right. All right. When we are having a line here, there is supposed to be a point of it because we know that the lines are what? That the lines are made of points. Okay. Okay. So we can actually know this one as if we have the point B and C. All right, here. Let's actually know this one. So we have here the B and C. All right, we can name this one as what? As line BC. All right, is it something like that? No, you are going to put a line or a drawing shape of line on top of it. Okay, on top of it. So you can identify this one as line BC. Okay, so those are the things that you're going to remember. All right, so in naming a line and a point, point is point, only one capital letter. The lines are naming two capital letters. All right, what if this is a line segment? All right, a line segment, to end point. All right, to end point. All right, how are we going to know this one that this is a line segment? All right, there is no arrow. You are just going to put here a
ถ้าเป็น
line.
ลายเซกเมนต์ก็จะไม่มีลูกศรนะคะทีนี้ก็จะกลายเป็นลายเซกเมนต์
All right, so that is the line segment. Only line BC with a line above the letter. Okay? All right. Here, you can call this one also as the two names, or you can say that this one is the line CB. Okay? Line CB. Okay. So this is a line BC or a line CB when you are reading this. Okay? Did you get it? Can you give me a thumbs up?
เข้าใจไหมคะอันนี้คือการอ่านชื่อของเส้นนะคะโอเคไหมคะนักเรียนคะ
Okay. All right. How about the ray? Ray is having one endpoint and an extension of line. It's still the same. Let's change the name. L O. All right. How are we going to name this one? All right. How are we going to name? So we can write this one as line LO or line OL. All right. How are we going to put the lines on top of it? All right. So we are going to put a line like this. Okay. Line LO is the same as this one. Okay. You can name this one as line LO and line OL. Clear?
ถ้าในที่นี้รูปนักเรียนเห็นรูปลายข้างบนไหมคะมันจะเป็นลักษณะของเลใช่ไหมถ้าเป็นเลนักเรียนต้องเขียนลูกศรไว้ลูกศรเดียวอย่างนี้นะคะ
All right, did you get it?
ฝนมาแล้วนะ
All right, I want you to open your books on page 182. All right, so the number one there, draw the geometric figures A, BD, and MN, ZR, PR, EF, QP. Okay, go. Letter number one only, number one.
ให้นักเรียนเปิดหน้า182นะคะแล้วก็ทำข้อ1ก่อนเนาะข้อ1เป็นเลย์ BD นะคะนักเรียนก็วาดรูปเส้นตรงเลยแล้วก็อย่าลืมเขียนจุดจะมีลูกศรหัวเดียวนะคะมีลูกศรหัวเดียวเพราะว่าด้านบนเขามีลูกศรแค่หัวเดียวนะนักเรียนลองวาดดูก่อนนะคะวาดลงสมุดนะคะวาดลงในหนังสือนะคะ
Done? Students, open your camera, please. Pongpad, you're done. Finish already, very good. Teacher, can you ask the students to open their cam?
ปุ้มเปิดกล้องค่ะเชอรี่เปิดกล้องใครเนี่ยใครที่ไม่เปิดกล้องเปิดกล้องเลยเดี๋ยวนี้ธีรวัตรดีประสิทธิ์น้องก้าวปะน้องนายน้องก้าวเปิดใครยังไม่เปิดกล้องเลยค่ะ
All right, I think you're done. All right, Yana. Yana, can you answer letter A using your share screen? Share screen, then draw. Yana.
Yana แชร์สกรีนได้ไหมลูกตรงแท็บสีเขียวเขียนว่าแชร์สกรีน ได้ไหมคะ หรือไม่นักเรียนก็โชว์ Teacher can they show their work
Okay.
Maybe
Yana, are you
show their
using phone? Where's Yana?
เดี๋ยวนะตอบคุณ Teacher ด้วยลูก
Yana left teacher.
Ah.
All right. Can you show me your work, Gam? Gam, are you using phone or computer?
I using phone
Gam. Gam.
แก้ม อยู่ไหนแล้วเนี่ย
Gam. Number 23.
แก้ม
ฮะ
หนูลองโชว์ให้ Teacher เห็นหน่อย
Are you using phone or computer?
หนูใช้โทรศัพท์ในการดูซูมหรือว่าใช้คอมพิวเตอร์ลูก
ดูโทรศัพท์ค่ะ
โฟน Teacher โฟน
All right, Gam, can you show me your answer in letter A?
หนูเอากล้องโทรศัพท์ไปอยู่ตรงงานหนูอะลูกอยู่ให้เห็นงานหนูอะค่ะ ได้ไหม เอากล้อง ใครโชว์ได้บ้างอุ้ย
Just show your answer, Gam.
ที่หนูเขียนไปเมื่อกี้นะคะ หมายถึงว่าถ้าหนูแชร์สกรีนไม่ได้หนูก็แค่เอาหนังสือแบบเนี้ยโชว์แบบให้เห็นแบบเนี้ยค่ะเป็นได้ไหม
หนูยังไม่ได้ทำอะค่ะ
อ๋อ she didn't do yet teacher
She didn't do it, teacher. So you need to do it, Gam. What are you going to do, Gam? You need
ใคร
to
ยัง
do
ไม่ได้
that.
ทำเนี่ยนะนั่นไหนนะ182ใครเสร็จแล้วบ้างยกมือดิ Who finish let your hands up
Can you
Okay.
show me your answer in letter A?
ครูครับครับ
Okay
Letter A only.
that's letter A
All right. What line is that, Can?
การเขียนลาย BD ด้วยค่ะ หรือ DB ด้วยค่ะ
Alay na?
เว้ย
Ray. Very